Hey guys, I'm Will.
I'm Tyler.
And I'm Bass.
And today we're going to tell you about the GTX.
Now let's show you what comes in the box.
You get your main unit, your user manual, boom mic, button mic, 36mm speakers, boom mic holder, speaker pads, a hard mount, a 3M adhesive mount, a USB-C charging cable, and lastly you will get 4 color faceplates: cartoon, red, blue, and carbon.
And now let's show you how to install the GTX to your helmet.
To start, you will want to remove the cheek pads. Next, we will install the main unit on the helmet. We have supplied you with 2 mounts, one that goes between the inner and outer shell. We recommend you use this most often. If need be, we also supplied a 3M adhesive mount. For this helmet, we will be using the hard mount. You will slide this mount in between the inner and outer shell. Once the mount is installed, you will install the main unit. There are 2 tabs on the back of the unit that you will line up, and then you will pull the unit in a downward direction. Next, we will install the microphone. The kit comes with 2 mics, a boom mic, which is good for all open face helmets, including modulars, and then a button mic, which is good for full faces like the one we are using here today. To install the button mic on this helmet, you will start by removing the 3M adhesive tape. You will then install this on the chin side in your desired location. Next, we will be installing the 36mm speakers. One speaker is longer than the other. The longest speaker will go on the non-unit side. To install these, remove the 3M sticky tape, stick it in a speaker pocket if it has one, behind the cheek pad. Next, we will install the short side speaker on the unit side, again by removing the adhesive backing and sticking that to the speaker pocket. Once both speakers are installed, you want to connect your microphone. Once your mic is installed, go ahead and connect this harness to the main unit. Once connected to the main unit, go ahead and route your wires behind the back panel of the helmet. Once all your wires are tucked in how you would like, reinstall your cheek pads. And that is how you install your GTX. Now let's go over the features and functions of the GTX.
To power on the GTX, you would press and hold down the power button for 3 seconds.
The GTX has 5 battery percentage prompts: 100%, 80%, 50%, 30%, and low.
Once the battery is low, we recommend you plug it into your charger. To power off, press and hold the power button again for 3 seconds.
Now let's show you how to pair your GTX to your phone.
You would like to have your phone on Bluetooth, and you would power on your GTX, hold the power button for 5 seconds until it goes into the pairing mode. The lights will go red and blue. Give it a few seconds, it'll appear on your phone. Give it another few seconds, and then it will be connected to your GTX.
This process will also work for most GPS navigation units. Now let's go over the phone features of the GTX.
If you would like to accept an incoming phone call, you would press the power button 1 time to accept. Once you choose to end that phone call, you would press the power button again. To reject an incoming phone call, you would double tap the power button.
The GTX also works with voice assistant. To do that, you will double tap the power button. The GTX features auto answering that comes out of the box disabled.
Auto answering will accept an incoming call after about 12 seconds.
To enable this feature, you will press and hold the volume up button for about 6 seconds, and the blue light will flash 3 times to indicate that auto answering is enabled.
To disable this feature, you will press and hold the volume up button for about 6 seconds, and the red light will flash 3 times to indicate the auto answering is disabled.
Now let's go over music control of the GTX.
Once your phone's paired to the unit, you can play your music by pressing the power button 1 time.
If you want to volume up, you will click the up arrow. If you want to volume down, you will click the down arrow.
To skip a track, you would double press the up arrow. To go back a track, you would double click the back button.
And to pause your music, single click the power button again.
The GTX has 5 colored faceplate options to choose from. We'll show you now how to install those.
To start, you want to remove the faceplate off the unit. You will then grab your desired faceplate. On this one, we're using the carbon color. You will remove the 3M backing. You will then place that faceplate on the unit.
Now we're going to go over intercom pairing with your GTX. With all 4 units powered on, you will want to go to the first GTX and press and hold the intercom button until it goes into pairing mode. When it flashes red and blue, that shows it's in pairing mode. Let's go to the second unit and do the same. The third unit, as well as the fourth unit. With all 4 in pairing mode, you want to go back to the first unit and press that intercom button. Give it a few seconds and all 4 units will be connected. They will go back to the blue LED flashing to show that they're back in standby mode. Alright, now to test the intercom, you want to press the intercom button 1 time on any unit, and it will go purple to indicate that it's in intercom mode. The GTX can pair up to 10 devices. If you wish to pair more than 4 devices, repeat the process while referring back to the manual. Thank you for watching the video. We hope that it's informative.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us anytime at info@lexinmotorcycle.com.
Ride safe.